Okay, we'll see today next model, sir. This is also 7 marks question. Cos x plus 3 sin x plus 7 by cos x plus sin x plus 1 dx, right? Now there is a one extra term, constant is also there. So numerator is equal to a into plus b into plus c. So what I have done, a into derivative of denominator plus b into, previously up to here, but we are writing now extra c also. So cos x plus 3 sin x plus 7 a into minus sin x plus cos x plus b into cos x plus sin x plus 1 plus c. So compare cos x sin x constant, cos x sin x and constant. So what is the cos x here? 1. Here cos x will be a, here cos x will be b. Then what is the sin x? Here 3, here sin x is minus a, and here sin x is plus b. And what is the constant? There is no constant here, constant is there. Here constant is 7 is equal to b plus c. Now I am considering these two. If I add, what will happen? A will get cancelled, 4 is equal to 2b, b is equal to 2. So what is the b value? We get 2. Substitute here in this equation. So 1 is equal to a plus 2, so a is equal to minus 1. So you got b value, you got a value. From therefore 7 is equal to b plus c, already b value 2 sir, 7 is equal to 2 plus c, c is equal to 5. So a value, b value, c value we got. Now look at here, integration of, I am writing here underlining this equation, numerator is a into derivative, this term, what is the a value we got? Minus 1. Minus 1 into plus b, what is the b value? 2 into cos x plus sin x plus 1 plus c value 5 by cos x plus sin x plus 1 dx. Now separate them, minus 1 by cos x plus sin x plus 1 dx plus 2 into cos x plus sin x plus 1 by cos x plus sin x plus 1 dx. What is the last one? Plus 5 into 1 by cos x plus sin x plus 1 dx. So this is in the form of f dash x by f of x, which is nothing but log of f of x. Therefore minus 1 log of cos x plus sin x plus 1 plus 2 into, these two will get cancelled, 1 dx is x. Here these two will get cancelled, you get 1. So 1 dx is x plus 5 into integration of 1 by cos x plus sin x plus 1 dx. You call it as 1. Now we have to find the integration for this. Okay, we will find out that. Please note down up to here. Now we have to find integration for this. Now I am considering that separately. 1 by cos x plus sin x plus 1 dx. So here t is equal to tan x by 2, 2 dt by 1 plus d square is equal to dt. This already we have done, sir. What is the cos x? 1 minus c square by 1 plus t square. What is sin x? 2t by 1 plus t square. Right? Therefore, integration of 1 by cos x is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square plus 2t by 1 plus t square plus 1 into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So we have substituted all the values, sir. So here what will happen? 1 by 1 minus t square plus 2t plus 1 into 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. This will get cancelled. So this becomes integration of 1 by 1 minus t square plus 2t plus 1 plus t square dt with 2 outside. So t square will get cancelled. 2 into integration of 1 by 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2t dt. So if you cancel with 2 table, 1 by 1 plus t dt, which is log of 1 plus t. So here log of 1 plus tan x by 2, right? So what is it we got? This is, now I am writing here final answer. Therefore final answer, what is the final answer? Minus 1 log of cos x plus sin x plus 1 plus 2x plus 5 into log of 1 plus tan x by 2 plus constants. So why it is 7 marks? So we have to use all the 3 methods. First we have to write t is equal to tan x by 2, all the derivative. Okay, please note on this. Next, same model. 2 sin x 3 cos x plus 4 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx. Right, again same. What is the numerator? Plus b into 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus c. So 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 4 derivative 3 cos x minus 4 sin x plus b into 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus c. Observe here we are doing same method. Now compare sin x cos x constant, sin x cos x constant. What is sin x here? 2. Here sin x will be 4a plus here 3b. Next one, cos x is 3, here cos x is 3a plus this will be, here sin x means minus 4a, here minus 4a will come because sin x coefficient is minus 4a plus 3b. Here what is the cos x here, sir? 3a, and here cos x is 4b. And what is the constant? Here 4, here what is the constant? 5b plus c. Right, now solve. 2 is equal to minus 4a plus 3b, 3 is equal to 3a plus 4b. Multiply with 3, multiply with 4. So 6 is equal to minus 12a plus 9b, then this is 12 is equal to 12a plus 16b. If I add them, 18 is equal to 25b. Therefore b is equal to 18 by 25. Okay, it will come in the fraction, sir. Okay, b is equal to what? 18 by 25. Put in 2 is equal to minus 4a plus 3b. So 2 is equal to minus 4a plus 3 into 18 by 25. 2 is equal to minus 4a plus 54 by 25. Bring the term this side. 2 minus 54 by 25 is equal to minus 4a. 50 minus 54 minus 4 by 25. 25 into 2 is 50. 50 minus 54 is minus 4 by 25 is equal to minus 4a. Cancel. A is equal to 1 by 25. Okay, again put b value in, what is the last equation? 4 is equal to 5b plus c. So I am putting there 4 is equal to 5 into 18 by 25 plus C. So 4 is equal to 90 by 25 plus C. So bring the term this side. 4 minus 90 by 25 is equal to C. 100 minus 90, 10. C. Right, you got A value, B value, C value. Copy up here, sir, because we will continue here. Right, now we have to put numerator is this. I have put in a bracket. So A is what? 1 by 25, B is 18 by 25, C is 10 by 25. Okay, I am putting that values. Now separate them. Is equal to by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx plus b 18 by 25 integration of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx plus 10 by 25 integration of 1 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx. Okay, so this is f dash x by f of x, log of f of x. So 1 by 25 log of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus 18 by 25 x. Why x? These two will get cancelled every time x will come, plus 10 by 25 integration of 1 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx. Now you call it as 1. Now I have to find integration for this separately. We will do here. Now again integration of 1 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx. T is equal to tan x by 2, 2 dt by 1 plus t square is equal to dx. Cos x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. Right? Therefore, t square. So 2 into 1 by 60 plus 4 into 1 minus t square plus 5 into 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square dt by 1 plus t square. These two will get cancelled. This will become 1 by 60 plus 4 minus 4t square plus 5 plus 5t square dt. If you look at here, 5t square minus 4t square, t square plus 60 plus 9. Here simplification, so I am writing directly, so all the values I am substituting. We got this. T square plus 60 plus 9. So this can be written 1 by t plus 3 whole square dt, because a square plus b square plus 2ab. Directly we get a square plus b square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So which is nothing but t plus 3 whole square. We know integration of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x. So here it becomes 2 into minus 1 by t plus 3. So what is the integration of 1 by x square? Minus 1 by x. So it becomes minus 1 by t plus 3. So which is nothing but minus 2 by t is what's that? Tan x by 2 plus 3. Right? We got this integration. Therefore I am writing here final answer. So the final answer 1 by 25 log of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus 18 by 25 x plus 10 by 25 in the bracket minus 2 by 1 plus tan x by 2 plus c. Okay. Generally 90% is giving these problems for 7 marks. Okay. Please go through the solution completely. Now we have last set of formulas. Okay, we have seen the same formulas with the denominator without square root, with the square root we have seen. Last set is this. Okay, again procedure is same. For example, If it is given like this, again what is the procedure? 5 plus minus x square, take minus common, x square minus 4x minus 5. So again minus 2b is equal to minus 4, b is equal to 2. So what will happen? Minus x square minus 4x plus 2 square minus 2 square minus 5. So minus of x minus 2 whole square minus 4 minus 5. Here there is no fraction, directly we can use. So what will happen? X minus 2 whole square minus 9. Okay, with minus sign if you open, so 9 minus x minus 2 whole square. Therefore, integration of root of is equal to 9 minus x minus 2 whole square under root. Which formula will come? This is nothing but 3 square. Okay, 9 can be written 3 square. So which formula will come? Last formula. Means same procedure what we have done, all the problems we have done same procedure, only the formula is saying. Now it is nothing but x by 2 means x minus 2 by 2 into root of 3 square minus x minus 2 whole square plus a square by 2 means 3 square by 2 sin inverse x by a. X is what, sir? X minus 2 by a is 3. So this becomes x minus 2 by 2. Any simplification is there, you can do root of 3 square minus x minus 2 whole square plus 9 by 2 sin inverse x minus 2 by 3 is constant. Okay, we have to apply same constant. For example, one more problem, you can write root of 3x minus x square. I will just give them a hint. So what will happen? 1 plus 3x minus x square is minus common, x square minus 3x minus 1. So minus 2b is equal to minus 3, b is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 1. So minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 1. Again same procedure what we have done, same thing we have to apply here. Again put a flower bracket, where fractions are there. When fractions are there, you have to use this method, sir. 4 minus 9 minus 4 minus 13 by 4. So what will happen? Minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 13 by 4. Bring minus sign inside. So 13 by 4 minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square, which is nothing but root 13 by 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Therefore, integration of root 13 by 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square dx. Which formula again? Last formula only will come. So I will write that formula. So what is that? X minus 3 by 2 by 2 root of root 13 by 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square plus a square by 2. A square means what, sir? Root 13 by 2 whole square by 2. Here root 13 by 2 whole square by 2. Then sin inverse x minus 3 by 2 by root 13 by 2 plus c. Right? Leave the answer here. Okay. So same models. So any other the problems which you have done, you can convert into numerator. You can practice them, sir. Okay. Let us see next model in this. Now, again, look at this problem. What is that? He has given 6x plus 5 root of. If this value is not there, directly we can use here. But we have got this type of models. We have seen numerator. Okay, numerator, denominator model we have seen. Again, what I am writing? 6x plus 5 is equal to a into dy dx of 6x minus 2x square plus x plus b. Okay, here it is not trigonometry, algebra is there, so you are right. Therefore, 6x plus 5 is equal to 0 minus 4x plus 1 plus b. So 6x plus 5 is equal to minus 4ax plus a plus b. Therefore, 6 is equal to minus 4a, 5 is equal to a plus b. From this, a is equal to what, sir? Minus 3 by 2. Therefore 5 is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus b. Bring here 5 plus 3 by 2 is equal to b. Therefore 10 plus 3, 13 by 2 is equal to b. Right? Observe here, most important step. Okay, I am taking this. So 6x plus 5 is replaced by a into minus 4x plus 1 plus b. So a value, b value we got. So integration of 6x plus c is replaced by a. What is a value? Minus 3 by 2 minus 4x plus 1 plus what is the b value we got? 13 by 2. Put a square bracket and root is there. What is the root? 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. Understood here? So 6x plus 5 we have replaced that. So what is that we get? Minus 3 by 2 minus 4x plus 1 plus 13 by 2 in the bracket. Now I am opening the bracket. So minus 3 by 2 integration of into root of 6x minus 2x square plus x dx plus 13 by 2 integration of root of dx. Right? So this is in the form of f dash x by root of f of x. Please understand here, it is a derivative of this is here. So f dash x into root of f of x. This is equivalent to 2 by 3 into f of x whole raised to 3 by 2. So what is the formula? F dash x into root of f of x is 2 by 3, f of x whole raised to 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into 2 by 3. F of x is what, sir? 6 minus 2x square plus x whole raised to 3 by 2 plus 13 by 2 integration of 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. Right? So we have written f dash x into root of f of x we have written. Now we have to find integration for this. Copy up here. Now we have to find integration for this, sir. Which one? Integration of 6 minus 2x square plus x. No. 6 minus 2x square plus x. So minus 2 common, x square minus x by 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 2b is equal to minus 1 by 2. So b is equal to 1 by 4. You got a value, b value again. So what will happen? Minus 2 into plus 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 4 whole square minus 3. So minus 2 into x minus 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 16 minus 3. Again flower bracket minus 1 by 16 minus 3. 16 is LCM. So this becomes minus 48. So minus 49 by 16. Okay. So what will happen? Minus 2 into x minus 1 by 4 whole square minus 49 by 16. Bring minus sign inside. 2 into 49 by 16 minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square. So this is nothing but 2 into integration root of 7 by 4 whole square minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square. Right? We got this. Okay. Therefore, integration of root of, I am finding only this 7 by 4 whole square. 2 is there outside, so it becomes root 2 because we are taking roots. Root is there, so root 2 will come minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square dx. Right? So it is in the form of a square minus x square formula. So what will happen? X by 2 root of a square minus x square, a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. So root 2 into x by 2 means what? X minus 1 by 4 into root of a square means what? 7 by 4 whole square minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus a square by 2. What do you mean by a square? 7 by 4 whole square by 2 sine inverse x by a means x minus 1 by 4 by 7 by 4. Okay. Therefore, root 2 into 4x minus 1 by 4 into 2, 8. This is as this. Right? Then 7 by 4 whole square is 49 by 16 into 2. So 49 by 32. Here 7 by 4 whole square means 49 by 16 into 2 will be 39. Okay, 32 sir. Here sine inverse. So 4x minus 1 by 7. 4 will get cancelled. Therefore, I am writing here final answer. Final answer. So minus 3 by 2 into 2 by 3. These 3 will get cancelled. What is the left over? Minus 6 minus 2x square plus x whole raised to 3 by 2 plus 13 by 2. With root 2 we have to multiply. So root 2 into everything in the bracket. 4x minus 1 by 8. I'll put a flower bracket. I'll put a square bracket. 4x minus 1 by 8 root of 7 by 4 whole square minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus 49 by 32 sine inverse 4x minus 1 by 7, close the bracket, plus this is the final answer. Okay, one more problem is there that we will discuss in the next class. Then with this the major portion is over sir. Then only integration by partial fraction will be there, and by parts. What I mean by parts? You know, in derivatives you have learned uv formula, u dash v plus v dash u, but here it is a different formula. That formula you have to see. Then with this integration will be over sir. Okay.